That public participation extension, that big move, should be met with volume. We want to see price move up, and we want to see that everyone's interested in price moving up, because that's how supply and demand works. When there's a lot of demand for things, price shoots up high. Vice versa, right? If price is continuing to go higher at that excess phase, right? So right up in this area right here, for you guys staring at the chart, and we're seeing volume not be associated with it, that's probably a warning sign, once again, that, hey, either it's too late to get involved, let me keep my powder dry, or if I am involved, hey, it's time for me to get out and start taking some profits. Even looking at the trend as a whole, we can go back to kind of sorry about that, I had to move my chart around. The basics of how price action moves, where we have extensions and retracements and extensions and retracements. Extensions, again, talking about a bullish trend here, are the longer moves up. Retracements are the smaller moves down, right? And it carries on this ebb and flow until we eventually shift the trend. Well, if we're looking at volume as being a clue that we can use to tell if the market is continuing that trend or starting to rotate, we could look at that with our extensions and retracements as well, right? These extensions should be associated with high volume because people are pushing it up. These retracements should be associated with lower volume because there's just less people involved. If all of a sudden we have those retracements starting to have really high volume, well, that may mean that, hey, this is not just a pullback. There might be a lot of sellers, bears, looking to get involved in this move for, again, whatever reason, and this may end up being a rotation in trend. So again, small little clues from many different places. That is what makes trading difficult, but also very easy if you know how to look for them. And when I say easy, let's see, I take that back. Not easy. Simple. Not easy by any means. This is not easy money by any means. It is simple, but doing it is actually very hard. And that's why 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. And I would honestly think that that number is probably a little bit low.